Hi, my name is Ekanem Orok and welcome to the Fundamentals of Pattern Making. This course is divided into 20 sections. In section 1, you learn the basics of pattern making, pattern grading, and draping. In section 2, you learn about the tools and materials required for pattern making. In section 3, you learn about body measurements, body measurement points, and how to take accurate body measurements. In section 4, you learn how to construct the basic bodice block. In section 5, you learn how to construct the basic dress block. In section 6, you learn how to construct the basic skirt block. In section 7, you learn how to construct the basic trouser block. In section 8, you learn how to construct the basic sleeve block. In section 9, you learn how to mark seam allowance on the straight edge and the curved edge of the pattern. In section 10, you learn how to mirror the skirt pattern, dress pattern, and bodice pattern. In section 11, you learn how to correct pattern corners, neck corners, waist curve corners, pointed corners, and shoulder corners. In section 12, you learn about blocks and patterns. In section 13, you learn about garment pattern anatomy for bodies. In section 13, you learn about garment pattern anatomy for bodies, female jacket, trouser, skirt, and shirt anatomy. In section 14, you learn about the different types of pattern symbols. In section 15, you learn about fabric types, fabric weaves, and how to lay patterns on fabrics. In section 16, you learn about technical package and how to interpret technical drawing for pattern making. In section 17, you learn how to match patterns to the body. In section 18, you learn how to manipulate darts around the bust point. In section 19, you learn how to interpret technical drawings for drape dress, wedding gown, jacket, pant, couture dress, jumpsuit, jean, shirt, and waistcoat. In section 20, you learn how to create patterns for drape dress, wedding gown, jacket and pant, couture dress, jumpsuit, jean, shirt, and waistcoat. Whether you're a beginner or you simply want to upgrade your fashion design knowledge, the aim of this course is to guide you on the professional techniques in pattern making. So, see you in class.